In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WordPress hosting on GoDaddy effortlessly. Whether you're building a new website from scratch or moving an existing one, understanding how to navigate through GoDaddy's interface to get WordPress up and running is crucial. So let's dive right in and go through the process together, step by step. First, we'll start by heading over to GoDaddy's website. If you're new to GoDaddy, it's a popular domain registrar and web hosting company where you can manage various aspects of your online presence. Once you're on the GoDaddy homepage, you'll want to log into your account if you're not already. Simply click on the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the My Account section. Here you'll find an overview of all the services you have with GoDaddy. What we want to do next is click on Hosting and WordPress. This area is dedicated to managing your web hosting plans, including any WordPress installations you might have. Once you're on the Hosting and WordPress page, look for the specific domain you intend to set up with WordPress. When you've identified your domain, proceed by clicking Manage. This will take you into a more detailed view of your hosting account. You should now see an option to access cPanel Admin. This is where you control the various aspects of your hosting environment. The C in cPanel stands for Control, and this tool is an industry standard for managing website hosting. On the cPanel dashboard, you'll find several options. We are specifically interested in applications. These are pre-installed software solutions, and WordPress is among them. Look for the WordPress icon and go ahead and click on it. This takes you to the WordPress installation section. Now you're almost there. On the installation page, you'll see a clear button labeled Install this application. Click this button and the system will automatically begin the WordPress installation process on your selected domain. It's automated to make things as seamless as possible for you. You might be prompted to choose a few settings or confirm your selection, but generally the system handles all the technical details. And just like that, you're done. After the installation process is complete, you now have WordPress set up on your chosen GoDaddy domain. From here, you can start designing your site, install themes, and add functionalities through plugins. That's it for today's guide, and I hope you found it straightforward and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tutorials and helpful tips.